Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you my Lego restaurant MOC I have made. It's really small because I used the best pieces I could to make this look at least good enough for YouTube. So I decided to use blue, like a good blue color scheme. So I'll show you around. So first we have this area. You might be wondering what this hole is. It's like the drive-through area. And it looks really cool. Then we have an inside, which really has nothing in it, since I just wanted to make this a basic shell. Then I made a little drive-through roof. Then I made like a balcony up here with a nice like slope design. Then I put this nice Z shape using a 1x3 slope pieces. Then I put some snot holes right here and put some tiles just to make it look a little nicer. And we can actually take this roof off, and then we can just keep it like this. Just a basic base, and we can add this after, so it looks like that. And I guess that's the review done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.